Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about beauty salon interior design. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. A beauty salon is a place where people go to take care of their appearance and feel good about themselves. It is a place where they can relax, get pampered, and rejuvenate their body and mind. A beauty salon should have a warm and inviting atmosphere that makes clients feel at home and welcome. This can be achieved through proper interior design. Interior design plays a crucial role in creating a comfortable and appealing atmosphere in a beauty salon. From the colors and lighting to the furniture and decor, everything should be carefully considered to create a relaxing and peaceful environment. The design should also reflect the salon's brand image and style. The color scheme is one of the most important aspects of interior design. Light and neutral colors such as light blue, green, or pastel shades can create a calming atmosphere. Darker colors like red and black can be used as accent colors to add a touch of drama to the salon. Lighting is also important in creating a relaxing atmosphere. A beauty salon should have a combination of natural and artificial light. Large windows that allow natural light to enter the salon can help create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Artificial lighting should be soft and not too bright, as it can be harsh on the eyes. Furniture and decor should be comfortable and stylish. Reception desks, chairs, and sofas should be inviting and comfortable to sit in. Decorative elements like plants, flowers, and paintings can be used to add a touch of beauty to the salon. The layout of the salon is also important in creating a relaxing atmosphere. The salon should be well organized and the furniture should be arranged in a way that makes the space feel open and spacious. The salon should also be well ventilated, as the smell of hair products and chemicals can be overwhelming. A beauty salon should also have a private area for clients who want more privacy. This area should be quiet and peaceful, and have comfortable seating for clients to relax in. The area should also be decorated in a way that makes clients feel relaxed and at ease. In conclusion, interior design plays a crucial role in creating a comfortable and appealing atmosphere in a beauty salon. The design should reflect the salon's brand image and style, and be carefully planned to create a relaxing and peaceful environment. A well-designed beauty salon will not only attract new clients but also keep existing clients coming back. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a beauty salon interior design. Thank you.